Hi folks, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin, and you are watching Moon 333. And the information I'm providing here in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice. So please seek a duly licensed professional and do your own research as well for investment advice. Guys, after today's strong bearish drop, the Bitcoin finally has completed the last and the final leg of a very big bullish harmonic pattern which was being formed on the monthly chart. And last year the Bitcoin also completed the such Garley harmonic pattern, and after that the Bitcoin produced more than 300% profit. I'll definitely show you this pattern later on in this video, but before that I want to take you to the live chart for the better understanding of the price action of Bitcoin. So let's move to the live chart. And this is the daily chart, and this was the cup and handle pattern I have been following since last several days, and I was very much optimistic that unless the price action won't break down this golden ratio of Fibonacci projection, Fibonacci retracement of 0.618 Fibonacci, it will take the bull bounce from here, it will be moved up from here, and it will soon break out the resistance of the cup as well. That was almost at $10,350. But unfortunately, the price action has broken down the handle of the cup, and now finally you can see the price action has retraced more than 100%. Now I'm not looking at this pattern because this was the main reason that invalidated this pattern, and that was the head and shoulder pattern on daily chart. And you can see that both shoulders are shorter than the head. This was a perfect head and shoulder pattern. So far the price action has crossed down the neck of the shoulder, and here we can see that when this shoulder was formed or being formed, at that time we received a bear cross from the stochastic, and it was turned strong bearish. The MACD, moving average convergence divergence indicator, turned strong bearish here on this candlestick on 8th of March, and after that a very strong bearish rally started. And now today the Bitcoin has hit $5,713. That is the lowest price the Bitcoin hit today as per Bitstamp exchange. And in my previous videos and articles, I've been telling you that when the price action was retesting this resistance as a support of $9,819, I told you at that time this support or resistance was not formed. This is formed because of this shoulder of this head and shoulder pattern. I'm just removing this line, and after that it will be easy to understand. I was just telling you at that time, once it will be failed to retest the resistance as a support of $9,819, it will definitely retest the previous support of $8,314. But unfortunately the price action even broke down this resistance, this support as well, and now it is retesting the previous support that was at $6,550, and we can see that it has even hit the spike beyond this support level. And this was the trend line formed on the weekly chart. We cannot ignore this trend line because we have so many touches at this trend line, and a very strong support is built here. And I've just placed the volume profile on the complete price action moving above this trend line. Then we can see that we have a POC or point of control of this complete price action, and the volume profile of this complete price action at $10,350. And in my previous video I told you that this POC or point of control of this volume profile works as a center of gravity. It always pulls the price action towards itself. For example, here we have so many examples here. The price action has been moving around this POC, and once it was dropped down and hit at that trend line, and after that the price action took another bounce and hit at the POC, and then again the price action has hit another hit on this trend line, and again took a bullish bounce and bullish move and hit at the POC. But now here, as in my previous video, we have discussed that this is very much important that the price action should cross up this POC or the point of control of this volume profile as soon as possible. Otherwise, if we'll have few more touches here, then the price action would start moving in a down channel, and after that it will be difficult for the price action to move or cross up the resistance of the down channel, and that will be like this, and it will be really difficult for the price action to have a breakout. Therefore, it is really very important for the price action to cross up this POC level as soon as possible. And in order to cross up this POC or point of control of this volume profile, we need the volume or the buying volume with the continuity like we had here from Feb up to June 2019 when the Bitcoin produced more than 300% profit. And if I place this volume profile step by step on the price action moving above this trend line, then we can find a very positive signal. For example, I'm just placing this volume profile from here up to this level, up to 23rd September 2019. Then we can see that the traders' interest was almost up to $9,340, and we had the POC at $9,500 or $9,600. Sorry, the $10,150 almost. And if I just extend this volume profile from this level up to this touch, then we can see that the POC moved at almost $10,000, and now I'm just extending this this volume profile up to the current position of the price action, and now the POC or point of control is moved up at almost $10,300. So this is very much optimistic situation that the POC can pull back the price action up to this level, because the POC is working as a center of gravity for the price action so far. And I'm not expecting that the price action will again hit at this trend line, because after placing the volume profile on this complete price action moving above this trend line, we can see that traders' interest is very low at this area or level that is below $7,700 almost. And unfortunately, we can see that the volume profile, the volume oscillator is triggered with the value of more than 7 in the favor of bears. You can see it shows the volume oscillator shows the power of volume, the buying or sell volume oscillation. And you can see the value here. It is more than 7, 7.01 at this time. On weekly chart, this is very strong. And if I take you to the weekly chart and we see the simple moving averages, then the price action is at this time hitting at 100 moving average on this week chart. That is very strong support, and after that we have a really very strong support of 200 simple moving average. Last time then the price action hit at this support of 200 moving average, then we can see that the price action produced more than 300% profit and took a very strong bullish bounce from here. And if we see the history of this simple moving average, even the 100 and the 200 both moving averages, then we can see that these both moving averages were not broken down since 2015. You can see the price action was turned very bullish, and once in 2019 we have seen that the price action dropped down or broke down the strong support of 100 moving average, and after that the price action consolidated on the 200 simple moving average strong support and took a really strong bullish bounce. And again, now the price action has hit at the 100 simple moving average and likely to hit soon or retest this support of 200 simple moving average. And we can expect that the price action can take a strong bounce from here. But once this moving average will be broken down, the 200 simple moving average, which is not broken down since 2015, then we can see a really very bad situation, and the price action can face a really very strong bearish trend after that. But I'm not expecting as that much situation, that much bad situation. Now, if we compare these two charts of Ichimoku cloud on weekly chart, then there is very interesting situation, and the price action is likely to repeat the same move which it took in the 2014 to 2017. We can see that while the price action was moving down, the cloud turned bullish, and the price action was crossing down, even crossed down the Ichimoku cloud. And after that, the price action has hit at the resistance of the cloud, and again it dropped down, and the cloud turned bearish again, and the price action took a very powerful bullish divergence and achieved the highest price ever in the history of Bitcoin. That was almost $20,000 in 2017, we can see here. And now again we can see that the price action is crossing down, even crossed down this cloud, and cloud is turned bullish again, like it happened here. The cloud is turned bullish, and the price action has hit at the resistance of the cloud, but could not broke out the resistance of this cloud, and now the price action is again dropped down, and the cloud is again turned bearish like it was turned here. So we can expect, if the price action will repeat the same move, then there will be a very strong bullish move in the future. But this is a weekly chart. It can take some time. It needs some patience. It is a long-term chart. Now let's move to the very big bullish harmonic pattern that the Bitcoin has formed on monthly chart. I've been telling you in the starting of this video. And this was the chart I just want to show you first that I published in April 2019. And here we can see that when the price action took the drop after hitting the highest price ever in the history of the Bitcoin, that was around $20,000, the price action retraced up to 0.786 Fibonacci level and was having the support of 50 simple moving average on this monthly chart. And the simple moving average on monthly chart is a very strong support. The 50 simple moving average is a very strong support on the monthly chart. Therefore, I was expecting that it will form a bullish garlic pattern, and I confirmed that 99.9% the garlic pattern is confirmed. And I have also checked so many signals and other patterns behind this chart as well. And on basis of those signals, I predicted this pattern that the price action will move in this way, like it will take the bullish divergence again and hit this Fibonacci projection of 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection of A to D lag, and then it will be again dropped in this level and this potential reversal zone, and again it will take another bullish divergence. And now, after playing this idea, take a look at this. You can see that the price action moved same as I predicted. It moved up and hit this Fibonacci projection area, dropped here in the potential reversal zone, and took another bullish divergence. Now the price action has again formed another bullish garlic pattern on this monthly chart. You can see that this chart is driven very perfect. You can see this is initial leg, and A to B leg should be retraced between 0.618 up to 0.786 Fibonacci level as required for the A to B leg of garlic pattern. And we can see that the retracement up to the price action retraced up to 0.693. That is exactly between 618 up to 786 Fibonacci level. And after that, the price action was supposed to take the bullish divergence and enter in the area, the Fibonacci projection area of 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci projection of A to B leg. And you can see the price action has been projected up to 0.547 Fibonacci projection. That is as required for the B to C leg of Fibonacci of garlic pattern C leg, because we need the Fibonacci projection between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci. And after that, the price action was supposed to take the retracement up to between 0.618 up to 0.786 Fibonacci level. And now we can see that the price action again has entered at this level of 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci level. Now the price action is entered in the potential reversal zone, and this buying zone or potential reversal zone starts from $7,231 and ends up to $5,424. And now it is supposed to take the bullish divergence again, like it had taken the bullish divergence previously in the previous pattern, up to at least this level, and it should the price action should be projected in the area, the projection area of A to D leg, and that is 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci, from $8,654 to $12,070. This area is you can say that is confirmed. This movement is confirmed, but we should use this area, this potential reversal zone, as our stop loss if the price action goes under or beyond this potential reversal zone and the candlesticks start closing below this potential reversal zone, then we should take exit from the trade. This should be our stop loss. And I'm expecting that once the price action will be able to manage to cross up this Fibonacci projection of 0.786 Fibonacci level, then it can again take more powerful bullish divergence from here, and it can achieve the highest price ever in the history of the Bitcoin cause. Once the price action will manage to cross up this level, then definitely the price action will also able to break out this POC or point of control level. That is very much important for the price action of Bitcoin to cross up or break out this level in order to avoid the down channel formation. And the price action will also this pattern or this move will be also executed because we have the cloud level, the bullish cloud level at this time almost at $9,500. The price action, once it will cross up this level, then it can also move up like this, like the price action took the move in 2016 up to 2017, and it can achieve the highest price ever in the history of the Bitcoin. So this is the optimistic move by the Bitcoin. Even though we have seen a very strong bearish move today, but this move has ended with the completion of a very good, powerful bullish garlic pattern on monthly chart. So this was the update by the Bitcoin so far. I'll definitely keep you updated about the more moves of the Bitcoin when I'll receive more developments and the signals from the Bitcoin price action. If you have liked the video, then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel. Take care. Goodbye.